Audio test number 13. I do think I finally got this figured out. And brought to you in part by I'm an idiot. Shut this here visor down and go for yet another test ride. Make one more. In the house, it sounded like it was all working extremely well. But you never know till you get in the wind and get on the bike. And I've changed over the mic. Used one of those real thick foam pieces over it. Put it inside. I will confess that this did, in fact, fix the problem finally, once and for all. I actually told Memphis Mike and Rosie Moto what I had done. And I think that I really truly believe that that's the whole problem. And if this does fix it, I am going to create a video showing if you have a Sena Prism and if you have the Sena SMH10, how exactly to set it up. Because it's been a pain in the freaking beep. And you know, it's just all in the settings. I kept fooling with the camera and back and forth with the mic and trying to think it's something physical, and did the firmware update. And I did not notice when I did the firmware update that there is I don't remember if it was labeled settings or options or whatever, but with the SMH10 Bluetooth headset plugged into the laptop, that is the only way to adjust, and there is a microphone boosting option. I kept saying the mic was too hot. There is a microphone boosting option, and it was enabled. I will show a picture of that screen now. I knew there was nothing in the jog dial on the SMH10 that gave me options for the freaking microphone. And it was there when I did the firmware update. That's what gets me. I didn't know it, didn't look for it, didn't see it. Roll up here about 60 miles an hour, just kind of do a little wind test, see.